Hey guys, it's Chris, and we're back with something weird. No idea if this is even going to work. No idea. Don't know. That's good. Now, what the hell are you doing with this junk? Well, that's kind of what I do. I do junk. So this is ancient. This motherboard came out of a Gateway 2000 P90 full tower. Awesome case, love it. But the Dallas RTC just blew up. She just broke. I ended up finding a seller who resells new ones, so I bought two of them. These have a 2020 date. Isn't that crazy? Dallas RTC. I don't think the company's even there anymore. Like the 4-bit guy did a special on that, where he like went around different Texas manufacturing facilities, and I think he said something like they're around but they're whatever. Man, this is a heavy little turd. So anyway, I socketed my RTC chip, this Dallas real-time clock, a little bit ago. Which way is the zoom? There we go. She sits about right here, goes that way. Have no idea what the north pin is. I guess it's where the little notch is. Let me put my peepers on, get a good focus on that. Yep, seems about right. So I put a socket in there, and that way I could just go like that. And if I ever needed a new one, I didn't have to debraid the crap out of it. I could just like stick it in there. So it just like boop, and then watch me blow this up. Well, honk my horn. This has, I have no idea how much memory. Probably like 32 or something like that. That's not going to work. It has no storage. It has no nothing. It has an ISA sound card. I have an S3 Verge and some weird thing. I'm just going to do that. All I need to do is see if I can get into the BIOS. That's it. She's PCI. That's cool. It had some other connector down here, but I don't have that connector, so I'm not going to connect it. I'm going to fire this turd up. Alright, so we plugged a ATI Mach 64 from the same computer. I guess it's what it came with. It's from, oops, sorry about that. It's from 94. She requires a PS2 keyboard, and that's what I got. Which one's keyboard? Well, I'll try that one. Oh, hell with it. Let's hit it. Let's see what happens. Does the old Pentium even spin? Look at that. Oh my god, it worked. Look at that. F1 to run setup. That's awesome. I know it's just a piece of crap computer, but it was a computer that I made for my mom when I was in my mid-20s. And I gave it to her, and she used it up to Windows 98. Oh, it's the year 3. Let's fix that. 2021. And what's today's date? I have no idea. Where's my phone? I don't know. Let's just say it's the 10th. I don't know what day it is. It's not 86. It is, I don't know what time it is. Let's say 6 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 17. That's good. Alright, floppy drive. Yep, sounds good. Language, boot options. System speed enabled, boot speed turbo, startup delay, hard disk pre-delay. Boot A then C. Sounds good. That's it. Advanced. Oh, we're a Pentium 100. Isn't that cool? Peripherals, auto. Don't know. Power management. Get out of here. Plug and play. I don't know. Yep. Pentium 100. Save changes. I need a floppy drive now. I gotta see this thing do something. So yeah, Dallas RTCs. They're probably China repops being remade, but this is brand new. So that's cool. We have 65 megs of RAM, or 64 megs of RAM. So we have this drive in, I don't know what format it is. Let's see. It is in cable select. Master is a L. That's what it is. Alright, we'll just push that back in like we didn't see it. And we'll try this again, just on that. Just the hard drive. So, come on now. I got a couple things. I found it. You know, I know this is the drive. Western Digital Caviar. Look at the same sticker. It's got that weird gateway sticker just like this one has. Don't know. We're just going to plug it in. This is an Epson SMD 300 red to power there, buddy. There we go. We need a Berg. This is not in the optimal location, but I don't really care. I just wanna see if it works. So we're gonna look at my nope. After dark, Windows 3.1 DOS 6.2. MS-DOS 6.22. It's amazing that this computer works now. It wouldn't fire up at all without the Dallas. So my socket job worked. That's cool. Alright. Floppy drive A, 1.44 meg. Alright. Now I hear the floppy, or the hard drive. Floppy drive. Hope that disk is still good. Haven't used it in a little while, like 20 years. I did use the After Dark discs. Sorry if this episode may be boring, but it's just kind of nostalgic neat for me, seeing if I can polish this old turd. See if I can polish a turd. Might need to use a Windows 98 boot disk. Compact 6.2 boot disk with compact IDE CD-ROM drives. I can't get this freaking hard drive to like detect. It's just weird. It'd be a great little Windows 3.1 machine. MS-DOS games. Something like that. Don't really know. Just glad to see it working again. It's got a 1992 BIOS. Gosh. Nope. She's done on hard drives. At least I got this old turd working. Back. It's been several hours, but I've put the Pentium back in its case. I found the original hard drive and don't need that anymore. We have everything all hooked up. I got a PS2 combo mouse and keyboard. We're going to hit the button. Now I lost my reset switch. I think I used it on a Mythalon machine, as well as a couple of LEDs. And the faceplate LED. Looks like the old IDE CD-ROM still works. Sorta. We have a hard drive detected. Now this is nothing special. It's a Pentium 100 with MS-DOS and NetStart. Alright. Oops. Command com, Win2386, config old, auto exec old. Alt F save, Alt FX. Let's do it. Windows 3.11 or 3.11, people called it. And it's gonna fail because it doesn't have a network card in it. Because I took the network card for an Mythalon machine. That's okay. But anyway, the computer works, it boots, and I have my old Windows machine back from my mother. I think there's a macaroni salad recipe on here somewhere that I want to try and get off. So, we got it functioning again. This thing from 1994, it's nothing spectacular. This was the, what was around 93, 94. Amiga still blew this crap right out of the water. Even though this is 100 megahertz, ain't nothing. I'll take an 060 or an 040 accelerated machine any day over these turds. So anyway, we got her going. Thanks for watching.